Good morning, students. In Pedagogy of English, today we will discuss about National Policy on Education (NPE) under the topic of Development of Language Policy in India. A national policy on education was formulated in 1968 largely to implement the recommendations of Kothari Commission. It was noted that regional languages which were used as medium of instruction should be made the medium at college level too also. In 1968, central government was formulated National Policy on Education for the purpose of implementation of recommendations of DS Kothari Education Commission. And here National Policy on Education recommended that in India regional languages are playing an important role as a medium of instruction at school level. So here the suggestion or recommendation of National Policy on Education is it is necessary to implement regional language as a medium of instruction at college level also, because for the purpose of getting education medium of instruction is going to play an important role. So that medium of instruction should be regional language, so then only people are going to get education in a proper manner in India. The fact that a large number of English medium schools were flourishing all over the country has been sidetracked by the policy makers. The National Policy on Education 1968 recommended the strengthening of Hindi as a link language and English as a language of science and technology. So in 1968, during that period, the fact is that across the country, number of English medium schools are establishing and the development of English medium schools are going on continuously. But because of the policy makers in India, so these English medium schools were sidetracked, especially by the policy makers. So that's why in 1968, the National Policy on Education recommended it is necessary to strengthening of Hindi as a link language and also English as a language of science and technology. So strengthening of Hindi as a link language is nothing but, so we have a number of states and union territories are there. So each and every state has its own language. So there is difficult for us to do link between one state to another state. So that's why if Hindi will be developed as a link language, then there is a possibility of communication between all states. At the same time, in science and technology, in research, in each and every area, there is need to use English as a language of science and technology. Next stage in policy making was the National Policy on Education, again established in 1968 also. Along with National Policy on Education 1968 and the program of action which was also reiterated that strengthening of language is going to play an important role development of the country. So this is the opinion expressed by the National Policy on Education 1986 and Program of Action POA. Next, National Policy on Education 1986 asked for the setting up of rural schools, colleges and universities. So because of that reason only, by the recommendation and suggestion of National Policy on Education 1986, so in 1986 only, so central government initiated establishing Navodaya schools in across the country. Next, the Acharya Ramamurthy Committee. So the year of Acharya Ramamurthy Committee is 1986, endorsed that three language formula had stood the test of time. Means that three language formula is a testing time. Why means we need to know whether a three language formula is going to be implemented in successful or not. For that purpose, in 1986, so this three language formula is implemented by the central government. But here the Acharya Ramurthy committee stated that so this is a testing time for three language formula. The committee also emphasized the hours of study and levels of attainment in Hindi and English irrespective of duration of the study. So here the committee also given importance that so there is need to concentrate on development of Hindi and English irrespective of the duration of the study. Why means English is going to become a future of India, and it is an international language, it is a global language. Because of that reason there is need to concentrate on learning or getting competency in English in India is compulsory. At the same time Hindi is a national language. Because of that reason it is necessary to develop communicative skills in Hindi also. So that's why this Acharya Ramurthy committee emphasized giving importance on both English and Telugu. So these competencies should be means that for the purpose of development of competencies both in English and Hindi across the country, some of the institutions, premier institutions were established by the central government. So they are Kendriya Hindi Sangathan, it is also called as KHS. Next one, Central Institute of English and Foreign Language, it is also called as a CFL, which is located in Hyderabad itself only. And next one, Central Institute of Indian Languages, which is in Mysore. So these three premier institutions are even now also playing an important role in development of Hindi and English and also other regional languages. Next, it is quite clear from the recommendations that nobody has against English and nobody has in favor of English. So here the policymakers means what? Those who are going to prepare a policies with respect of education, they are going to called as policymakers. Next, administrators and parents, even students also feel that in India, in all stages, there is need to strengthening of teaching English in all areas of education. And there is an unmistakable public opinion that learning English is voluntarily is for our own good. So here people are feeling voluntarily, so they are involving voluntarily in learning of English because people of India feels that so this English is going to play an important role in our future. So that's why people are learning voluntarily second language, especially English. So here getting language, other regional languages are going to play important role, because by taking the support of other languages only, students can able to learn language easily. So that's why we need to concentrate not only on Hindi and English, we need to concentrate on other regional languages also, because in learning of English, regional languages are going to play an important role, because we are going to learn, people are going to learn, children are going to learn regional languages in a natural environment. So in a same manner, if you want to learn second language, which is nothing but English, so here also you need to take the support of mother tongue, then only there is a possibility of learning second language or English. So these all are the recommendations of national policy on education, by concentrating on language formula, by concentrating on the development of teaching English across India. So this is about national policy on education in India in 1968 and 1986. Thank you.